In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Draw tab in PowerPoint. This is a quick and easy process that will take only about a minute of your time, making your presentations more interactive and engaging. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're working with a recent version of PowerPoint, as the options we're about to explore might vary slightly in older editions. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, go ahead and open the presentation you're currently working on, or any presentation where you'd like to add the Draw tab. Now on the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a menu that begins with the File tab. Click on this File tab. It's the starting point where we can adjust certain settings and customize our PowerPoint interface, as it houses many of the core functionalities, including options for saving, printing, and most importantly, customizing your ribbon interface. Once you've clicked on File, you'll see several options on the left side of your screen. Look for the Options button towards the bottom of this list. Go ahead and click on Options, and this will open a new window where you can customize your PowerPoint settings more deeply. In this new window, you'll need to find the Customize Ribbon option. This is quite powerful because it allows you to personalize the tabs and commands on your PowerPoint interface. Click on Customize Ribbon and this will bring up a list of the various tabs you can add or remove from the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint layout. Now we're specifically looking for the Draw tab, so take a look through the list and find it. It might be unchecked, which means it's currently not visible in your PowerPoint interface. To include it, simply click to check the box next to Draw. This action will activate the tab and make it readily accessible for all your drawing needs. After you've done this, there's just one more step. To confirm your changes, click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. This will apply your new settings and you'll be returned to your PowerPoint presentation with the Draw tab now visible on the ribbon at the top. And there you have it. The Draw tab should now be right there, ready for you to use its various features like drawing with a stylus, creating shapes, highlighting and more. This will definitely help in making your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.